In today's video, we are going to be exiting our slump era together, and I'm going to show you how to have the best morning possible to encourage productivity and motivation. But before we start the morning routine, we need to take a back step. It's currently 6:30 right now, and I am going to organize and prep and make my morning so much easier for tomorrow morning. Usually if I prep what I'm going to wear, what I'm going to eat, what I'm going to do the night before, I just feel more level-headed and I actually know what I'm doing. Whereas if I wake up tomorrow morning unorganized, unplanned, and unprepped, I'm more inclined to be lazy and slump around instead of being a prepared, organized girly. So if you're anything like me, prep the night ahead. Organized. I'm feeling a lot more level-headed, like I know what I'm doing. So I will see you guys in the morning. I don't think I got much sleep last night. For some reason, I woke up at like 2 a.m. and I could not get back to sleep till like 4 a.m. I had 1 hour of REM sleep. I got 18 minutes of deep sleep and I got 6 hours in core sleep. So I don't really know what that means, but I feel tired. Time for a coffee. Why do I look like that? Oh my god. I feel like I belong in a horror movie. Like, what is that? I feel like anytime a girly does a face mask, they look so cute. But then when I put a face mask on, I look like this. Okay, this is coming off because I feel kind of gross. But I feel so replenished. Oh my gosh. A new girl.
Who is that?
Put that in the bin. Okay, hi. Welcome to my morning routine. If you haven't read the title, obviously you won't know what's going on, but you probably have. I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me on my morning routine and kind of show you what I do to make my days more productive, make my days feel good, because I woke up at 7:30 and I felt disgusting. Like, I felt so terrible because I woke up at 2:30 in the morning for some reason. I was just wide awake. I was like, oh, hello. And I couldn't get back to sleep till about 4:30 when my boyfriend was going to work. And I was like, what? Despite me having a bad sleep, I'm still gonna have a good day. Still gonna have a productive, amazing, good day. I'm not gonna let that get the better of me. I've already done some tips and tricks that helped me, like making my bed, that keeps me out of it. I know that I have stuff to do for the day. I immediately get up, I do my mini morning routine, which is make the bed, brush my teeth, brush my hair, make a coffee, wake the birds up, take the birds out into the sun like I have right now. But I just like to put myself together in the mornings because I know that once I've like put effort into my appearance, I feel more obligated to kind of get out there and do everything that I want to do, like be productive, do all the chores I need to do, be a productive, active, healthy girly. I don't know if you guys noticed, but on my community page, which if you didn't notice, you should subscribe and press the bell notification so you don't miss out on anything from me. I made a community post last night saying that I'm gonna start uploading twice a week. I'm gonna do it. Let me know what kind of videos you want to start seeing from me. And I think it's going to be every Sunday night, obviously, at 6:30. That's not gonna change. But I'm also thinking Thursday nights because I feel like that's kind of in the middle and it gives me enough time to have a mental health day, do some errands, and film when I can. But I am gonna try and upload twice a week because I want to keep busy and I want to progress in my career and I want to see you guys more often. I feel like there's like a really big gap between Sunday and Sunday, obviously, that you don't get to hang out with me. And I feel like we could just hang out a bit more, you know? We could definitely have a bit more time together. Done. I'm actually so glad I did that because I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like I can conquer the day now because I've got my lashes on. What's stopping me from doing everything possible? Okay, one thing I know that will instantly make me feel better despite my brain just wanting to crawl back into bed and watch Netflix. Like, I so badly want to be in bed right now. I know the one thing that's going to make me feel better is moving my body, because that not only helps the blood pump and make your body feel really good, but it just starts your day off amazingly, obviously. You know, but first I did want to show you, I got some new activewear that I want to show you guys. Personally, I feel like a new activewear set really helps me want to become my best self and stay motivated. I feel like I just want to wear it all the time. So I just want to give a massive shout out to 𝑺𝑶𝑪𝑰𝑨𝑳𝑺 for sponsoring today's video and sending me some super cute activewear sets that are going to change my fitness routine. Like, this is about to change my life because these are so cute. Let me show you. I don't know why, but I'm really feeling yellow for this spring and summer. So when I saw this on their website, I was like, oh, that's coming home with me. I am so obsessed with that texture, by the way. Like, it's very buttery. I don't know why, this is so random, but I love the logo on the back. It's in like gold lettering. I love that. Also love that it's seamless in the middle. As a girly, we love that. Also have a little sports bra here, which I think is so cute. It really shows off the back, which is nice, you know, shows off the muscles. I love this style of sports bra. Like, I can't wait to wear this. I got another set, of course, and I've always wanted a white activewear set, so had to fulfill my fantasies. Here we are. The texture, once again, are you kidding me? I love that. This is one of the tops that I got. It's like a little sports bra with inbuilt sleeves, and it's got a twist in the middle. You'll be able to see when I try this on. It's so hard to explain. And then I also got some white leggings as well, because I feel like you can never go wrong with a white activewear bottom. I feel like it goes with everything, no matter what. Once again, we've got the 𝑺𝑶𝑪𝑰𝑨𝑳𝑺 logo on the back. Stunning. I love the gold. Everything I've ever dreamed of. This is so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Also got another set because you can never have too many sets. Let's be real. I got this black crop long sleeve, and it's a very flattering detail in the front there. It's also ribbed and it has the logo on the inside, so I feel like you could honestly wear this as like a going out top. I can wear this to the gym and then the night out. No one's gonna know. I'm just firing through this because I really want to try them on. I'm itching. And then I also picked out some flares. If you know me, you know I love my flares. So when I saw that 𝑺𝑶𝑰 had some flares, I was like, oh, instantly, that's mine. I'm obsessed. Like, I can instantly see myself wearing these to Pilates and loving it. Like, I'm gonna look so good. I'm gonna look amazing. Okay, suddenly I've got hips. What do you mean? Oh my gosh, I'm wearing nude underwear and you can't even see it. I feel like I'm wearing shapewear. Like, it's very flattering and they're so comfy. Like, we've got a lot of stretch happening here. How far can I stretch these? Oh my gosh. Can we just get a moment for this color though? Like, are you kidding me? This is so stunning. This is definitely the color for summer. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? I don't think I've ever put on activewear and been like, that's actually me? What do you mean? Once again, super slimming. I can't believe that. That is incredible. Very flattering. These flares, I am just going to wear on the daily. And can we talk about the top for a minute? Like, are you kidding me? Me and my 8 cups are a little bit surprised. Heaps of stretch still. I am not feeling constricted. I'm not feeling tight anywhere. Like, I feel really good. This feels like second skin. I'm not even gonna lie, and I'm not just saying it for the purpose of this video. This feels like second skin. Like, I feel like I'm wearing nothing. I honestly cannot believe how comfy this is, how flattering this is, and it's not see-through. Like, I'm wearing white activewear right now and it's not see-through. I feel like every piece of white activewear I've ever owned is so see-through to the point where I just don't wear it because, like, what's the point? It's got a little twist design at the front, which I mentioned before, but it was so hard to show you guys what this top was without literally putting it on. Like, now you understand. She's cute. And then the leggings, once again, so flattering, so stretchy. Like, we're so fine. We are so fine. I actually can't choose between any of the sets. Like, I love the yellow, I love the black, and I love this one as well. Like, what am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to choose? 𝑺𝑶𝑰 have such an amazing and aesthetic range that is not only comfy but flattering, which I love so much. Like, they have so many colors and styles that are going to be perfect for everyone and anyone out there. So you're more than welcome to use my discount code and the link in my description down below, and we can be matching active, becoming our best self girlies together. I'm gonna get my blood pumping. As I said before, I am going to do some yoga stretches. I've literally just found a 10-minute body stretch on YouTube to do. I've got my mat here that we're going to roll out because that That's important. I don't want to get carpet burn on my body. That would hurt. So I'm just gonna roll out my yoga mat and we're gonna put this set to the test. I'm actually so excited. Like, I feel so comfy. I'm actually really, really excited to do these stretches. And I might even go for a hot girl walk because why not? I'm just doing some stretches. Yeah, I am a bit puffed. Alright, I'm gonna go back to my stretches. Took it out of me a little bit, but my whole body feels amazing. Like, I feel really good. I feel really stretched out. Like, I can do what I need to do for the day now. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. And workout set held up. I don't know what I was expecting it to do. Maybe like roll up and feel uncomfy and tight during the workout, but it was so fine. It was so comfy and I have no complaints. And obviously I wouldn't work with whiskey if I wasn't obsessed with him and I wasn't forwarding this to you that this is probably the best activewear I've ever put on my body. So I want to give a massive thank you to Whiskey once again for sponsoring today's video. I really appreciate it. And now I'm gonna go for a hot girl walk. I'm actually feeling so good. I feel the blood pumping. I feel the adrenaline rushing. But I'm not just gonna go for any old hot girl walk, you know, not just a classic around the neighborhood kind of walk. I wanna go for a drive to a lake. That sounds so boring. And I wanna walk around this lake. And I feel like that is going to inspire and motivate me. And I'm also gonna put a podcast on and I'm gonna feel so good. I am gonna feel incredible. Like, going to a new place and simply just doing something normie is so good. It's so good for the soul. Like, if you're feeling mundane and you're feeling stuck and unmotivated, simply just go somewhere new. Like, take your laptop and go to a new cafe or go to a new place and go for a walk. Like, that's what I'm doing today and I'm actually so excited for it. Okay. Oh, I have a little bit too much stuff, but that's fine because we're gonna go for a hot girl walk. Got my purse because I'm gonna do shopping afterwards. Got my headphones, obviously, very important. Drink bottle. And I got a spare of change. Whoa. I got a change of spare clothes. That still doesn't sound right. I got some spare clothes because I'm gonna go do some stuff after this. I also got myself a little snacky snack because I'm really hungry. I feel like once I start getting active, my body is just like, give me food. I got these little things. I don't know if you guys know what NQR is, but it's basically like a really cheap food store. It's a lot of stock that doesn't sell in the supermarket, so it sells for really cheap in the NQR store. I don't know what I'm saying. I was selling these Health Lab balls, and if you guys don't know, Health Lab, they go for like $15 for like a 4-pack, which is ridiculous. Like, they don't have much sugar in them. They're kind of healthy alternative to like a sweet treat, but I just needed something right now, and these I'm obsessed with at the moment. Like, it's got little peppermint flakes on it. So yummy. I really need a bin in here. I don't have a bin. That's the inside, by the way. It is so amazing. Like, I feel like I'm eating a peppermint crisp. It's freaking amazing. I also bought my hot girl sunglasses with me on this walk because it's sunny. I'm gonna need some hot girl glasses. Alright, enough Sabrina. Let's go on this hot girl walk. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to enjoy this hot girl walk and I hope you guys enjoy the montage that comes along with it. Hey, the babies. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Guys, this is so gorgeous. I can't believe it. Everyone's walking their dogs. I feel very out of place. But this is so stunning.
It's so good for the soul. I can't believe this. I need to do this more often. Like, I've never done this before at this lake, but I need to do this more often at this lake because I'm feeling amazing. It's so gorgeous. My Apple Watch said that I did 2 kilometers and it took me half an hour. That's pretty slow, honestly. I was looking at all the birds and I was just really taking in all the scenery. All the habits that I was doing today are all the habits that I spoke about in my last sit down video. I've applied those tips from that video and I feel amazing. I feel so good. I don't really have anything else to do for you guys today. I mean, I'm going to Kmart, but that's for another video. If you haven't subscribed already, do subscribe and turn on the bell notification down below so you don't miss out on me every Sunday and Thursday. I'm going to start uploading twice a week. That's so strange. That's so bizarre to me. I'm kind of sweating. It's hot in here. Anyway, I'm going to love you and leave you guys. I'll probably see you in my next video on Thursday. Okay, bye.